my boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar Wish Wednesday, okay? Yes, we had this format for a couple of years now, so if you've been following me, you know exactly what this is all about. You wish for songs, and I highlight one or two of them every Wednesday. That's the deal, and this time we have a song from Bryant Barnes. It's called My Everything. And it's you, Vader. Vader, you asked for this one. I'm not your father. Still, you are here on this channel, so you took the chance, and here we are. So I hope you will enjoy this Bryant Barnes song, My Everything, and all you Bryant Barnes fans out there. Now, let's go into this one, and as you can see, we don't use any capo here. We're going clean on our fretboard. That's nice. We have a couple chords to go over, so let's start with the chords like we usually do, and we're gonna start with this C major 7. That's how the song starts, and it goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be the G. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Then we have this kind of a transition chord. It's the GF. What you really need to do here is pretty much to just switch the bass note from that G 3rd fret E string to 2nd fret E string. You're not concerned about going all the way down. It's just like this. So this is the new chord, the GF, okay? So the F comes from that 2nd fret E string, the F sharp note. So 2nd E, 2nd A, and then open strings down there, but you're gonna play on the bass string, so you don't have to go all the way down, just these kind of bass strings, the 3 of them or so. That's a GF. Then we have that E minor, and it goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Then again comes kind of this transition chord. It's the D. If you just want to go with the note, it's the open D string, because again, it's just like a bridge to the next chord, okay? Or you can go with the full chord like I did here in the introduction tutorial, and then you're gonna play open D, then 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. But I don't go all the way down, it's too much, so count the bass strings like that. That's the D. Then we have the A minor, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally, we have a bar chord. It's the B7. We place the index finger as a bar on the 2nd fret, 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on B. Okay. Yeah, there we have all the chords. Now let's look into the handling here. We have a basic strumming pattern that is about 2 parts, 2 halves. So if you grab the first chord, C major, we're going to learn them both. So one full round goes like this with C major. Okay, so the first half will be down, down, okay? So it's that's the first half, and then the second half will be up, 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 down, up, down, up. So up, 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 down, up, down, up. So together it's down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And when you play these ups and downs, don't go all the way up and all the way down. It's too much. It will be blurry and all that. So just quick turns like this. It's enough to just hit a couple strings or so. So down. 2 downs, you can really go all the way down. But then the ups and downs, there is part 2. Yeah, handle it with some care. It will sound better, basically. So that is how you do it. Now let's go into the actual song. The first verse, we're gonna play C major, 1 full round. That means both part 1 and part 2. And then you're gonna go to G and play 1 full round. And then you do that again. So you have a total of 2 times back and forth. C major 1, G1, C major 1, G1, like this. Then the verse continues with C major 1, then G part 1, then the GF just 1 down as a bridge or transition chord. Then comes the E minor part 1 and D just 1 down. Okay, so we're going to play that first. It goes like this. Okay, and then you're going to finish off with C major 1 full round, G part 1, E minor part 1, A minor 1 full round, and then B7, you're going to play 5 straight downs with a pause afterwards, and that pause leads us to the chorus. It builds up for the chorus. So it goes like this: C major, pause, and now comes the chorus. And all that is the verse. Okay, so it's a pretty long one. You have to go through these different parts I gave you right now to study them and learn them, and that's it. Now we're gonna hit the chorus at 46 seconds in. Used to love the sky, that's where in the lyrics. What you're gonna play now is to start in the same way as the verse. You're gonna play the C major 1 full round, and then G 1 full round for 2 times. Well, we played that. Then comes this part we learned also from the verse. It's the C major 1 full round, the G part 1, and then the transition chord GF 1 down, then E minor part 1, and the transition chord D 1 down. In the verse we played only once. This time we're going to play it for 2 times. Okay, so let's do that together. But let's play it for 2 times and then have the final ending of the chorus coming afterwards. We're going to come to that, but first this part 2 times. Okay, and now the final part will be to play the C major 1 full round, and then comes G part 1, E minor part 1, and that's it. So C, and there we have it, guys. Okay, that's the first round. Okay, so now the second round, I can just mention now, it's everything in repeats. So the second verse, the second chorus is just repetition. And after that second chorus, we have the outro part left. What you're going to play now is the C major 1 full round and G 1 full round. Again, you play for 2 times. And then you're going to go into that C major 1 full round, and then the G part 1, the GF 1 down, E minor part 1, and D 1 down. Only once, as in the first verse. And then you're going to finish off with C major 1 full round, G 1 full round, and you play that for 2 times again, and then you end with just 1 down on that beautiful G. And that, my friends, and especially you, Vader, is how I handle Bryant Barnes, my everything. Alright, guys, so I see you, subscribers, and the people watching these and following me almost daily or every week as my everything. I really appreciate your support, guys. So if you want to give me something back, then you can do that best in the way that you're gonna highlight this tutorial with a thumb up, maybe leave a comment, take the opportunity to wish for next Wednesday or so. I read everything. I really try to stay close to you guys and see what you are searching for, want to learn. So yeah, do my work in the best way I can do for you. So interact with me. Be back here for next time. Until then, play tune.